Hi guys, welcome back to a new English lesson. I'm absolutely thrilled to be here with you. Today we are going to learn about the story and what happened to a little teddy bear. It is the story of the teddy bear. So now we're going to first see some of the items that we have on our screen. Yes, we are going to see the first one. Okay, look. Can you tell me the name of this kind of food? I'm going to wait 2 seconds. Yes, it's chips. Well done. And now I'm going to show the second one. The second one is a candy. The third one is a soda. Now, can you tell me the what it is called the fourth item? Yes, French fries. Everybody loves French fries, soda, chips, and candies. But we also have some items that we don't like it. For example, syrup, vaccine, and who can tell me the other one? Yes, those are pills. And we also can see a doctor. Now we are going to know about the teddy bear. Now that Teddy is sick, poor Teddy. We are going to see what happened to the Teddy. It says that Teddy likes to eat a lot of snacks and a lot of the food that we already mentioned. So now that Teddy is sick, poor Teddy. The Teddy is sick because the Teddy ate French fries, candies, chips, and the soda. So now we know that it's not good to eat a lot of snacks and all the type of food that we mentioned. Now it's time to help the Teddy. We are going to give the Teddy some very good advice. Okay, to recover from that illness, that horrible illness, because being sick, it's horrible. We don't like to see the doctor because we are afraid of vaccine. So we don't need to eat all of that food that we mentioned. So now we are going to give some advice to the Teddy. I'm going to give some advice to the Teddy. The Teddy now should see a doctor. Yes, that's very good advice. The next is that Teddy should take the medicine that the doctor prescribes. Yes, that's what the Teddy has to do. And the third one is the Teddy should stay in bed. Yes, the Teddy should stay in bed to recover from that illness. Now we can see that Teddy, what happened to that Teddy? We can see it here in this short story. Now we use this little word should. Should. Can you pronounce it? Yes. That's very good pronunciation. Well done, well done. To give some advice, we use this little word, should. The teddy should take the pills. If you notice, we used the word should in the sentences that I mentioned. We use should to give advice to someone, and it's very polite. Now we are going to see the next. Now we are going to give a few more advice to the teddy to recover faster from that illness. Who would like to give some advice? Yes. Can you give some advice to the teddy? I'm going to count. 1, 2, 3. And the teddy should take the medicine. Yes, well done, well done. Now we are going to see the next advice. The teddy should stop eating less junk food. Yes, that's very good. Can you tell me another advice that you can give to the teddy to recover faster? 1, 2, 3. Yes, the teddy should take the syrup. Now, who would like to see what happened to the teddy after those advice? Yes, look, now the teddy looks much better. He looks happy. He feels much better with the advice that we are giving to the teddy. Okay, that's it for today's lesson, guys. Well, that's it for today's lesson, and we'll see you in the next one. And don't forget to practice. Bye.